Gracia on Barcelona. We're are building 3x8. That will be the most impressive Euro tower we'll see here today, I'm quite sure. Let's take a second attempt with a 5x8, which they tried before but had to dismantle before it was found. That construction they had only managed to build once before, and that was only a week ago. It was crowned but not completed. So it's really the limit of what they are able to do at this stage. It's a team which is developing very fast, so we will hear a lot more. Here we have the Josus in place. We have the Aztec Adora in place there. And here the construction will be crowned. Here it is crowned with a little hand movement from Aleta. Now it is shaking a bit. Let's hope they hold it together. And I'm quite sure they will. Now the first we're going to have calm down. The Josus starting to make their descent. Yeah, there shouldn't be any difficulties from here on. So we have 3 Savoy, 3 of 8. Castellers de Vilaregracia. In their own town district of Barcelona, Catalonia, 2012.